peregrine falcon, a majestic raptor that commands our fascination. With a wingspan stretching 3.3 feet wide and an astonishing speed that defies the limits of 240 miles per hour, it stands as one of the planet's fastest creatures. Armed with talons as sharp as daggers and a precision-curved beak, these falcons are the undisputed masters of mid-air strikes. They reign over urban skyscrapers and rocky sanctuaries, proving their adaptability and dominance across diverse landscapes. Imagine a world 8 times more vivid than ours. This is the peregrine falcon's reality. Their eyes possess superhuman visual prowess. Possessing a high density of cone cells, they see a spectrum beyond human perception, even detecting elusive ultraviolet light. If you could see the world through their eyes for a day, what would you want to experience first?